Today, we face the Continental WinterContact TS 870 against another premium contender, the Goodyear Ultra Grip 9 Plus, released in 2019. A year before the TS 870, the Ultra Grip 9 Plus has garnered a strong reputation, but can it dethrone the reigning champion? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Continental WinterContact TS 870 set as the reference point at 100%. In Central European snow conditions, the Goodyear Ultra Grip 9 Plus stops slightly shorter in snow braking at 27.5 meters, 0.2 meters less than the TS 870 stopping distance of 27.7 meters. Both tires are nearly identical in snow traction, with only a 3 Newton difference. However, the TS 870 excels in snow handling, reaching 57.3 kilometers per hour compared to the Ultra Grip 9 Plus at 56.4 kilometers per hour, a 0.9 kilometer per hour advantage, offering superior control. For wet performance, the Continental TS 870 is superior. It stops in 53.4 meters in wet braking, 1.6 meters less than the Ultra Grip 9 Plus. In wet handling, it reaches 72 kilometers per hour, 0.3 kilometer per hour faster than the Ultra Grip 9 Plus. In aquaplaning, the TS 870 holds 82.3 kilometers per hour, 1.5 kilometer per hour better than the Ultra Grip 9 Plus. The TS 870 offers better control and safety on wet roads. On dry roads, the Continental TS 870 stops in 47.4 meters, slightly better than the Ultra Grip 9 Plus at 47.7 meters. In dry handling, the TS 870 reaches 138.8 kilometers per hour, outperforming the Ultra Grip 9 Plus's 135.8 kilometers per hour. The TS 870 is the better choice for confident driving in dry winter conditions. Wear is a crucial factor for any winter tire. The TS 870 outperforms here as well, with an expected mileage of 45,400 kilometers compared to 36,600 kilometers for the Ultra Grip 9 Plus. This translates to a significant difference in longevity. The TS 870 has lower rolling resistance at coefficient value of 7.94 versus the Ultra Grip 9 Plus coefficient value of 8.25, making it more fuel efficient. It also proves quieter at 70.6 decibels compared to the Ultra Grip 9 Plus at 71.3 decibels, providing a more comfortable ride. In summary, the Continental WinterContact TS 870 excels in wet, dry, mileage, and rolling resistance. On the other hand, the Goodyear Ultra Grip 9 Plus excels so slightly in snow braking. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.